The last indoor air pollutant we're going to be doing is carbon monoxide. We've already talked about carbon monoxide as an outdoor air pollutant. And as you'll remember, carbon monoxide basically comes from combustion, incomplete combustion. It's exactly the same indoors. So, big idea. There must be a combustion source in the home for carbon monoxide. Again, carbon monoxide, capital C, capital O, one carbon, one oxygen, for it to be an issue. So, for example, if everything in my home is electric, I have an electric oven, I have a microwave, I have maybe I don't have a washer and dryer in my home, or my washer and dryer is electric. Some apartments and some condos might even be like this. If everything is electric and there is absolutely nothing burning fuel in the building, then carbon monoxide isn't really going to be a concern. However, in all honesty, in the Chicago area, here we're going to burn natural gas to heat our homes typically, and even in an apartment building, in the basement, they're probably going to have a furnace burning the fuel, burning the natural gas. So it could be an issue essentially. But again, big idea. It comes from combustion, so there must be something that's a fuel that's being burned for carbon monoxide to be an issue. So sources of it are like, again, if there's combustion in my hot water heater, a dryer, furnace, if I have a fireplace, be it natural gas or a wood burning fireplace, and ETS, again, secondhand smoke releases carbon monoxide. Same as with the outdoor air pollutant. It interferes with the hemoglobin's ability to carry oxygen to the cells. The cells aren't getting enough oxygen, and so then the cells can't do cellular respiration, and so they're not getting producing the energy, and so you start feeling really, really sleepy after exposed to it. And again, I know apes isn't the place, but in some other places, sleepy might feel normal to you. And so you go to sleep because you're just really tired. And you might fall asleep and not wake up again. And so it may result in death if it's not treated. And so this is one of the things why carbon monoxide is really a big concern. This is why Illinois passed a law in 2007, or it became a law in 2007, requiring people to have carbon monoxide detectors in their home. This way, because it's colorless and odorless as a gas, so you don't know if you're getting exposed to it or not, and sleepiness doesn't usually feel funny to most people, especially in their home. And so what you do is you have this detector, and if it goes off, they say just get out of your home. You call the fire department, and they come with equipment that can actually tell what, and they'll walk around and they'll go to your dryer and to your hot water heater and to your furnace, and they'll see if any of those are leaking carbon monoxide. And sometimes these detectors are faulty and there's nothing wrong. But again, you're not charged, you're not in trouble. It's always better to be safe. And sometimes they'll say, yep, the problem is here, your furnace, and then you need to get your furnace serviced so that you literally don't get killed from it. So it's a really good idea and good law. Don't ventilate your home if the detector goes off. What they say to do is literally just get out of the house, and then they will come. Because if you ventilate your home, the carbon monoxide is going to dissipate and go away, and then you're not going to know if it was a real problem or not. So this is ways to essentially to reduce the risk of it. You're not really reducing the carbon monoxide, but the risk of it, because you would get out of the home because the detector would sound. And that is carbon monoxide as an indoor air pollutant.